Hello and welcome back. In today's video we're gonna see how Mighty Raptor got its colors. So this time I used technique less usual for me, but I think it's one of the best way to replicate complicated colors of modern stealth jet, 5th generation jets. I'm starting with black Mr. Surfaces 1500. I put it at a nice even coat. It will be a wonderful base for upcoming steps and also reveal some imperfections. Then I painted light coast grey in areas that will be masked before main color application. I found it much more easier than mask off more delicate paints of main color. That's because I used Alclad airframe aluminum as undercoat of main color. It will give this nice deep metallic sheen, or at least I hope it is. To be sure, I added around 30% of Alclad aluminum to the Aggressor Grey from AK. And to have a nice translucent layer, I used around 60% of Mr. Leveling Thinner. To have more control, I sprayed it with my 0.2 Fengda airbrush. At first, I planned to keep space for next darker color of camouflage, but then I just decided to cover it all. After basic color dries, I started to paint camouflage pattern with AK F15 dark grey, also mixed with aluminum from Alclad and same amount of leveling thinner. I tried to keep layer uneven as I saw on reference pictures. Sometimes it's even hard to notice the second color of camouflage. Then nice coat of X22 clear. Decals for this kit are just great, super thin and extremely clear. But keep in mind they are extremely, but I mean it, extremely fragile. So even if you want to move them, do it super carefully. As usual, I used combo of Tamiya Mark Fit and Ammo Decal Fix. For wash, I used my absolutely multi-purpose Ammo Brown for German Yellow. Seriously, this stuff can be used almost everywhere. Thanks to gloss varnish I can easily wipe out all the excess, and with cotton swab on difficult areas. After it, I covered the whole model with VMS satin varnish to keep it slightly shiny. Actually, it could be all, but I wasn't totally satisfied with overall look and decided to increase contrast with very gentle touches of ammo shaders. I mixed some of grays and dirt colors. It's almost invisible on a camera, but it added much more interesting finish into the model. And that's kind of all. I finished landing gear and weapons assembly, and guys, I wish it had a little bit better engineering. It's not worst, but I don't know, I didn't feel comfortable to do it. It wasn't perfect at all. But there is nothing that superglue can't fix, right? Also, after filming I noticed that I made web-on bay doors a little bit wrong, so I changed it. So what are you saying? Nailed it or failed it? Let me know in a comment if you like it, and if you have your version how to do these colors of F-22 and other modern jets. Let me know, it's always great to learn something new. As always, press like if you did, dislike if not, subscribe, hit the bell button, and see you next time.